that if parking spaces are located along the roadway, be sure to make sure that it is safe for both you and other drivers. Keep your eyes on the roadway at all times and be careful. First of all, when you are being pressed very tightly on both sides, there is no point in trying to exit the first time, as you will hit the car in front of you with your front bumper. For novice drivers who are not yet fully aware of the dimensions of their car and are very afraid of hitting other cars, we recommend asking someone for help. We are sure that you will not be denied. The person who will help you can show you the distance to other cars with their hands, so you will understand the dimensions of your car even more clearly by comparing the distance you see while in the car. In this case, our car is white and we will be driving in the left direction. If you need to drive in the right direction, just do the same, only in the opposite direction. How do we get out of a tight parking lot? Let's get started. Step 1. Before you start driving, don't forget to turn on the left turn signal so that other drivers understand what you are doing. Turn the steering wheel to the right, engage reverse gear, and drive as close as possible to the gray car. If your wheels are too close to the curb, simply back up as close as possible to the gray car with straight wheels. Step 2. Now turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and get as close as possible to the car in front of you. It should be noted that if you have enough space to get out completely, go ahead. It appears that you are not too much squeezed by other cars. If there is not enough room to get out at once, and this is completely normal, so do not worry. Moving on to the next step. Step 3. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right again and slowly back up, getting as close as possible to the vehicle behind you. Step 4. Now turn the wheels to the left again and try to drive out. Usually 4 approaches should be enough for you. But if you still don't have enough space, repeat the previous steps again, moving forward and then backward. You will definitely reach the point where your car can leave. Congratulations! By following these instructions, you will now be able to get out of the most difficult places without any problems. If you're watching our video from a country where left-hand traffic and the steering wheel are on the right, just follow the steps in the mirror. Please note that it is safer to exit the parking lot in a forward direction. Therefore, be careful when you start driving and make sure that your exit will be safe. First, let's look at exiting a parking space in forward gear. Step 1. Turn on the turn in the direction of travel in which you will be following. Step 2. Make sure your wheels are facing forward and slowly start moving forward until your shoulder extends beyond the front bumper of the neighboring vehicle. Step 3. Turn the steering wheel in the direction in which you intend to drive and continue driving, controlling other drivers on the road. Congratulations, you have successfully managed to exit the parking slot. As you can see, exiting a parking space in front is very easy. Now let's move on to the exit in reverse. This is more difficult as you will need more space on the road and the view of the road will not be as good. Here we go. Step 1. Make sure your wheels are facing forward and slowly start to move backwards while keeping an eye out for other cars that may be on the road. Back out until the front bumper of your vehicle is level with the rear bumper of a neighboring vehicle. Step 2. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the side opposite to your movement, in our case to the right, and move backward until your vehicle's right headlight is level with the right headlight of the vehicle ahead. Step 3. Turn the steering wheel to the left, engage the front gear and continue forward while leveling the vehicle on the road. Congratulations, you have successfully managed to exit the parking slot. Now practice on your own on unloaded sections of road. Drive safely and take care.